Oh, I was beginning to think you weren't coming. Game's almost over.
Doesn't look like I missed too much.
It's a game between teachers and students in the various departments.
Mike, who's the power behind Houseman?
Behind Houseman? God, board of director likes him about as much as a blast of smoke in the eyes.
And how is it last year he was able to obtain financing of $200,000?
Oh, yeah. Because our young, eccentric, insubordinate Dr. Houseman is the most brilliant genetic engineer the American university's produced in the last 10 years. You don't ask a genius how he spends his money. That is Peter Houseman.
Physiology and medicine have cast light on the most inaccessible recesses of our organism. Immunology has routed hundreds of invisible enemies to our health, and embryology has accomplished the joining of ovum and spermatoza in vitro. But human genetics has taken only the first tentative steps forward. The genome is formed of approximately 3 billion components. These components are the letters in the genetic alphabet. Now calculate that if one wished to print the genome of man with an average of 10,000 characters per page.
Aren't you exaggerating a little?
I
only want to see if I can make him stutter.
1,000 pages each. And it is in the vast encyclopedia that our hereditary patrimony of our species must be contained. Not only the color of our eyes, not only the color of our hair, not only the masterpiece of nature, which happens to be the exciting thighs of our generous Patricia, but also the memory of millions of years of evolution, fading shadows of races and generations which have all disappeared. It is our family album. Now, to be able to leaf through it from beginning to end and read it would be to know our past. Who we were, who we are, and most important, what we will become.
Professor, message.
Dr. Houseman, please, a moment. You can't go in there.
There's no point in being angry with me. I can't do anything.
Then just whose good idea is this?
Not mine. The commission has decided that all funding requests must be accompanied by a report which details all work in progress, as well as the obligation to publish all experiments funded during the past year.
This is not the agreement that we made when you offered to have me teach at this university.
Peter, be reasonable. It's an order from the head office in New York. This is a private university. They want to know where the money they invest in research ends up. If they sent a woman from the administration to inspect, it's not up to us, and we can't do anything.
I took this job because you assured me of full liberty to carry out my research with no strings attached.
No one wants to attach any strings. They only want to report